Hey, welcome to my Disney store haul video. Just to let you know, there are a lot of rustling noises towards the end of this video, so if that's not something you like, I'd advise turning the volume right down. Hey, so I thought I'd film a super duper quick and casual Disney store haul video where I just basically open the box. I have opened the box already to check that everything's in here. We got our little Mickey. This is just covering my address. But yeah, so the entire packaging is Toy Story themed, which is super cute. So yeah, most of this order is Princess Frog, as you probably expect. Here we go. So the top of the box has this cute like Toy Story colour in, and then inside we have the goodies. So first I'm going to take out my big girl. So this is the newest Animators Tiana. Her box is super cute. I'm probably going to keep her in box actually. My other one's out of box because I got her second hand. Look at the frog. I love him. She's got the same shoes and socks as before, but she's in a different dress. It's the other side. Oh, what an angel. She's got something on her face. There we go. And then I love her. I love her so much. Yeah. So this, I think, was slightly more expensive than they used to be. I feel like they used to be 20. But yeah. Animator Tiana. Another one which I've been excitedly anticipating is the Animators Collection like storybook playset. Most of the other princesses have these by now, so she's got a little crown. I need a doll that looks a little like her. I'm very excited for this. I really hope they do a Lottie to go with this, like if they do like a special one, but doubt. So yeah, that's a little Animators set. I got this birthday bunting because it was 50p and completely the aesthetic I want to have in life. It's tempting just to cut off where it says happy birthday and just put photos instead. But yeah, this was literally 50p. A non-Princess Frog item. This is for my door. So I have a princess one on one side, but I think I need an Alice one that says the party is here, because that's the emotion I want to convey. Also, I already have the matching bunting, so this was a need. Now we can see the box a bit better as well. This is super cute. If I had kids or like motivation, I would colour it. That's my delivery note. This is the first cup I bought. You know, it's like I don't need any more cups, so you buy more cups. One of those moods. So it's got Aurora, who's my best friend Rhiannon's favourite, and my friend Nat's. It's got Tiana, of course, an essential. There's such cute art. And then it's got Cinderella, who's my other favourite, and my bestie's mum's favourite. I love them. And yeah, this is like one of those like 90s glitter cups, but it's the stuff we never got Tiana on because Princess of the Frog came out in 2009, 2010. Oh, those are like, they have the trees like that in Disney Paris. I feel like they're like that in the movie, but I haven't watched Sleeping Beauty for a long time. But, oh, look at my Tiana girl. Look at her go. And Cinder's is so cute. They're all cute. I love that it's purple. But yeah, let's see. Inside, it's just a cute mug. So yeah, I've now got 2 more mugs. One of these was a free gift with my order. And one of them was one that I paid for. I'm a fool who does not have any scissors. Okay, so I actually decided to open both of them because why not while you're here? And then it's eco packaging, which is great. I kind of love this. That has all of the texture I could ever need. It's refusing to release its image. Yeah. Okay, so this I was super excited about. Totally don't need this. But it's a new Princess of the Frog mug with the same art as... Wait, does it say 10 years? Is that celebrating 10 years? Have they actually done? Oh my god. Okay, so it looks like we are getting Princess of the Frog anniversary merch. She's got her beignets! Oh my god, this is so cute. I love all of the greens. This is totally going to be my work mug. It's a lot better size than I thought it was going to be as well. I like a good size mug. This is like a good soup mug. Oh my god, I can't believe we're getting 10 years. This must all be 10-year anniversary. I really hope they like pick out the parts for me. Like, I need my box though. I need. Okay, so next bountiful packaging adventure. This mug was a free gift. When I told Tiana, I was like, can I just like leave this mug at yours? Because it's very on point. Sorry, this is real rustle hours. Here we go. Oh, this is cute. So it's got flounder on it. And he's on both sides. And it says, my best friend is a mermaid. I feel like that is very good. And wow, that was originally £9 and we got it for free. Oh, that's so cute. So yeah, this is kind of a quick overview of my Disney haul. I think I did quite well. I just love this boy. And I love this. 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 And I love my Alice. Overall, very impressed. So thanks for watching. I hope that wasn't too terrible. And I'll see you again soon.